Shout out to cyberflow. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to know what tools say about you.
That's it. That's your identity now. You didn't just install Burp Suite, you joined a cult. You didn't run, so you've chosen your hacking tool. That's it. That's your identity now. You didn't just install Burp Suite, you joined a cult. You didn't run Nmap, you declared war on the network. Welcome to the ecosystem where the tool you use says more about you than your actual resume. Let's start with the classics. If you're using Nmap, you're the kind of person who treats scanning like a love language. You don't hack first, you foreplay with ports. You run -SV-A like it's a spiritual ritual, and
Yo, one of my closest friends, he's teaching me the ropes right now. Shout out to him. He loves Nmap. You know what I'm saying? So if this is you and you trying to teach me a love language, yeah, I'm gonna be like
every
this.
time it returns filtered, your soul dies just a little bit. Burp Suite? Oh, you've had that target open in your tabs for 6 hours, and you still haven't sent a single request through Intruder. You've spent more time renaming your request folders than actually testing anything. It's giving productivity LARPing. Now, if you're rocking Metasploit, you're still living in 2012. You ran one Eternal Blue exploit on a test VM once, and now you think you're a red team operator.
Yes, sir,
Newsflash.
ski.
Knowing how to type use exploit Windows our SMB SMS 1710 Eternal Blue does not mean you're Neo. SQL map users, look, you don't even try anymore. You see a URL, copy it into SQL map, pray it spits out something useful, and if it doesn't, you rage quit and blame WAFs. You're not an attacker.
Wait, hold on, time out. So for my IT people, does working in the back end as a programmer make you kind of like a hacker? Or does that make you play a team kind of? Because you still know hacking to an extent, right? Because you play with the data and manipulate whatever is coming in with the front end. Let me know in the comments if that makes you a hacker.
You're a slot machine addict. And John the Ripper users? You sit there watching password hashes crack in real time like it's ASMR. You enjoy the suffering. You live for it. Your system sounds like it's about to lift off because you just had to use wordless mode with 7 rules stacked. And then there's Nikto. You scan everything, exploit nothing. You're the academic of the hacker world, collecting vulnerability data like Pokemon cards, never actually doing anything with them. But oh, we're not done. The reverse engineers, the elite terminal warriors. If you're using Radar 2,
I'm I'm the reverse engineer, my nigga. I was waiting. I didn't know if it was considered hacking or not, but nigga, I could make you a Netflix
you're either a
2.0,
genius or
baby.
you just
Stop
really
playing with
enjoy
me. I could
pain.
make you
The
some
interface
shit,
alone is a
GTA.
psychological experiment.
Why
You'll
not?
spend 45 minutes trying to figure out what AFL does and end up rewriting the binary out of spite. Gidra users, I get it. You like control, you like precision, but you also like opening 47 decompiler tabs and forgetting what you were even looking for. You haven't seen sunlight in 3 days and your brain thinks in hexadecimal. And then there's the bash script gang. You wrote 400 lines to automate a 30-second curl command. It's inefficient, it's buggy, and you'll defend it to the death. You've built a local C2 server in North Carolina, and you're wondering why nobody's hiring you yet. Now look, all jokes aside, every hacker starts somewhere. Whether you're reverse engineering malware in Gidra or launching SQL map like a digital bazooka, none of it matters if you don't actually know what you're doing. Tools don't make you a hacker. Knowledge does. Understanding what's happening under the hood, that's what separates someone who's just running scripts from someone who can write their own. That's exactly why we built Cyberflow Academy. It's not just another
He always knows exactly when to put the Cyberflow Academy into it. But yeah, make sure you guys check out Cyberflow. I've been reviewing his content for a while, and the one thing I know is he provides it, man. So I'll see you in the next one.